Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, brothers and sisters, I will be explaining the meanings and interpretations of when you see a broom in your dream. There are there are many interpretations of this, but for today, I'll be explaining 5 of them. Number 1. When you are sweeping rubbish into your house, it means you'll be gaining profit. Number 2. If you are dusting and sweeping the rubbish away from your house, it is a sign that you'll be losing profit. If you are sweeping and cleaning the roads, it is a sign that you'll be doing good deeds. And if you are cleaning and sweeping inside the mosque, it is a sign that you'll be staying away from sins and doing good deeds. And finally, if you are a businessman and you see a broom in your dream, it could be an indication that you'll be hiring a new employee.